Now, para mas maintindihan po natin, let's put it in a concrete example. Let's say meron tayong isang kabuuang papel or one whole sheet of paper. Alam natin na this is just a one-fourth sheet of paper, right? Or 25% of the totality of this one whole. So meron tayong one whole or 100%. So itong portion, ito ay 25% lamang. So ibig sabihin, balik tayo dito sa idea, itong totality, itong one whole, it represents the base. Yan yung totality. Kapag portion lang ito, portion lang siya ng one whole, ang tawag dyan, percentage. This is just a portion of base. Ito ay portion lamang, parte ng kabuuan. Yung rate, ito yung 25%. Tandaan ha, kapag rate, may percent na sign.